Hello, traders. It's me, Lato Mugger. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be breaking down AUD dollar. Let's see if we can have an opportunity to grab some pips. Right. Let's talk about on monthly chart. Okay. So here you can see the market, started from there, and it was a very nice impulse, followed by correction and the continuation. And here you can see another aggression phase. Right. If I'm gonna use the Elliott impulse wave, so from the swing low to the swing high, and swing low to the swing high and swing low, and the last impulsive move should be happening up to the 0.80 50 to 60 levels. Okay, so what I'm thinking from the monthly view is still we do have room to go and test that level. Okay, the previous higher high. Right. Let's delete this one and have a look on the weekly chart if we can see something different. Right. Okay, so weekly, here you can see the market started from that place over there. Okay, nice impulse, slightly correction, and another continuation, and here you can see the sideways movement. Okay, so if I'm going to talk about the weekly view, it looks like it has massively rejected, from that level over there. But if I'm going to talk about the previous high, which is this one, has already broken by that green candle. So it looks like it has already found a strong support over there, and then market still can make a movement towards the upside, and it can make a new higher high. Okay, so it looks like it is going to happen soon. Right, let's go and have a look on the daily chart if we can see something different. Right, okay, daily, what I can see is here you can see the market structure has created a W pattern which is overextended, and then market try to go back down and test the neck level, but it did not happen, hence why market went back up again. So from that zone, which is the strong resistance zone, market rejected towards the back down. So if I'm going to use the Fibonacci tool, what I can see is, okay, from the swing low to the swing high, here you can see, right. So when the rejection was happened, at that time the market tested 0.786 and could not hold at that location. So market went back up again and then came back down to test 0.618 of the Fibonacci level. So that level, which is a 0.618 level, was tested for almost like 2 to 3 days over there. Okay, so it looks like, as in the market, sometimes what's going to happen is market goes down to test the 0.786, come back up, and then it goes back down to test 0.618 and comes back again and goes back to test 0.50 level, and then comes back up again and goes back to test 0.32. That sort of these stocks are sometimes it may happen. Okay, sometimes it may happen. So it looks like it is doing that sort of movement in the chart. Okay, so from that perspective, what I can see is market is rejected, so it is going to make a newer high from that location there. Okay, so from the monthly, weekly, and daily chart, what I can see is I can see that my personal bias is still bullish, and we should be looking for the longing opportunity. Okay, so let's go and have a look on the 4 hourly chart if we can see something different there. Okay, right. From the 4 hourly chart, if I'm gonna mark this on there. Okay, right. Okay, so I have just highlighted this place there. So here you can see this is the strong resistance here. So market was rejected very hard. So there was a very hard sell off, hence why market went back down to that location. And here you can see the last candle. It looks like it is going to break that level there. Okay, so we do have like a couple of hours, which is an hour and 30 minutes to close this candle. If this candle closes somewhere there, okay, above the strong resistance, so what's going to happen is it goes back down there to retest that support once more again, and from there market could reject back towards the upside. Okay, that's what I can see. um, so yeah, we have to still wait for a couple of hours, and let's see if it can provide that sort of opportunity, and we may look for longing opportunity. So thank you so much, guys. That's my personal opinion, and this is obviously not the financial advice. Okay, so do your own due diligence. This is I'm doing only for the educational purpose, guys. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next video. Wish you good luck.